Managing software development projects can be complex, but a Gantt chart simplifies the process by visually organizing tasks and timelines. Let me show you how to create and manage a Gantt chart in just 5 simple steps. Start by setting up your Kanban board. We recommend you tag along using Kanbanchi, but feel free to choose any software you like. Click on Create New Board and name it. My project is an online store redesign. The board will be the foundation for your Gantt chart. With the board created, you're ready to start adding specific tasks related to the project. Now, let's break down the online store redesign project into specific tasks. For example, we will need to create an outline of the new features, create a visual identity, and get the client's approval. Each task should have its own card. Now let's move on to customizing them. Open each card to add relevant details. For example, create new visual identity might be labeled as high priority and assigned to your design team. In our case, that is Amanda. You can also add tags, set dependencies, and choose colors to categorize your tasks visually. These customizations help you and your team stay organized and visualize the workflow more easily. To project your tasks onto the Gantt chart, you need to set start and end dates for each one. For example, outline new features might start on August 18th and end on August 21st. The duration you set here will directly reflect on your Gantt chart. Be sure to set realistic timeframes to keep your project on track. There's no benefit in constantly pushing an unrealistic schedule and overwhelming your team. Now that your tasks are set up with dates, it's time to visualize everything. If you set your board up to show all tasks in the Gantt chart, just switch to the Gantt chart view by clicking on the Gantt chart icon. If not, just select which tasks you'd like to be shown on your chart. Here, you'll see a timeline of all your tasks laid out in sequence. Once your Gantt chart is set up, you can use it to monitor your team's progress. Don't forget that managing a Gantt chart is an ongoing process. As your project progresses, you can adjust timelines by dragging the taskbars, update task statuses, and monitor dependencies. For instance, if we got the client's approval ahead of schedule, we can mark it as completed to keep the chart accurate, and so Amanda knows that she can start to create the new website's visual identity. Don't forget that regularly updating your Gantt chart helps you stay on top of deadlines and quickly respond to any changes in the project. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you can create your own Gantt chart using Kanbanchi. And with the link in the description, you get the highest rated project management tool for Google Workspace at a 40% discount, so you can take your project management to the next level.